All right, so I want to show you guys the progress here in the bug. We got the front. This is pretty much ready. We're going to be taking the hood off and flipping it over, shooting the jams, finishing out the little bit of plastic filler on the front. Then what I've done here, because I want to show you guys real quick, was we sanded this down. I want to show you guys what the guide coat brings out for you. So let me back it away so you can see. This right here, these are all low spots. Those are dents. Those are low spot in the door. You know, this is a typical Volkswagen. So you got a low spot up here and a low spot up here, here, even right there. There's little ones. Some of those might fill in with primer. So that's what the whole purpose of this guide coat is. When you put this stuff on, it's just all it is just a spray can. You just spray a real light coat on, and then you find all your imperfections, and then we'll go ahead and either grind them down and fill them, or we'll actually, this is epoxy primer, so I'll probably heavy sand and use that new product that's supposed to stick to epoxy primer, so we can save a little bit of time. And there's, you know, there's not, it's not new. I'm sure it's old. Some stuff's been around a long time. I know I've read labels, but I just haven't found one yet. And I found that one the other day, which works really well. It's actually, some guys are saying they like Rage, and a shout out to the guy, I don't know what his name is. He likes Rage, and that's a great product. But I think it's $55 or $60 a gallon. This stuff's, what I was looking at was, I think, AG47 is around 30, 25, somewhere in there. So, you know, I was not willing to go out and step out and spend the money on the Rage. But the Evercoat Gold is nice too for a medium product. But I don't know, this AG47 is just so easy to sand. It's almost like sanding drywall mud. So we're going to go ahead and put some fills in there, get that going, work our way around, get the panels ready, start jamming some stuff on the Mustang, and get these things going. Talk to you in the next video.